Hello, welcome to Crana Capital. This channel basically serves as my personal video journal for all my investing and trading endeavors. I plan to include some educational content in here as well, how-tos, tips and tricks, and inside looks into my personal journals so that you can maybe pick up some techniques that you'd like to try or even learn from some mistakes that I make along the way. I'm not a professional trader or investor by any means. In fact, I'm quite a beginner. But if you'd like to come along on this journey and see me go from being a basic beginner, of course I have some background knowledge from reading and taking courses for a couple of years now, but actually hands-on experience, I'm basically a noob. So if you want to see me go from zero to wherever I can get to in a few years, my zero to hero journey, rags to riches, if you want to follow along, then please subscribe, leave a like on this video, leave a comment, go check out some of the videos that are up on the channel right now. Those are basically some throwback content that I had in the archive. They're all my trading journals, my weekly trading journals from Q4 of 2020. They're being uploaded one every other day, and I have them lined. I have so many that they're lined up until the beginning of December. So go check those out if you want an idea of how I journal and what that process is like and what benefits you can get. Check those videos out. Be on the lookout for more content, and thanks for watching.
Young black thousandaire into black millionaire into black billionaire. I keep on stacking sowing seeds so I can feed my heirs. The momentary sacrifice is nothing when compared to my legacy as a young black thousandaire into black millionaire into black billionaire. Crana Capital is gonna help us take it there.